Real-time remote face detection with R classifier on Raspberry Pi. The project mates are Dinesh Kumar, Pradeep and myself Karthik. Raspberry Pi is a credit card based single board computer developed in the UK to promote the teaching of basic computer science in schools. Actually, Raspberry Pi was manufactured in two board configurations through licensed manufacturing deals with Network Element 14. The first Raspberry Pi was Model A. Actually, it has a Broadcom BCM 2835 system on chip, which includes a ARM 1176J ZF S700 MHz processor, video core 4 GPU, and this is the Ethernet port, and this part is used for the connecting the VGA HDMI to VGA cable, and this is used for other purposes like keyboard and mouse. Actually, the first Model A was originally built with 256 megabytes of RAM, which was later upgraded to 512 MB.
After giving the connection, we should select the Xming software from the start menu. We should select the Xming, after which we should run an intermediator which is named as PuTTY. It will be open as this. We should in which we should enable X11 as enable the X11 forwarding. After which we should enter the IP address, which is an intermediate between the Raspberry Pi board and the system, which is 192.168.122.2. The .1 is generally used for a LAN Ethernet connection. .2 is for the Raspberry Pi connection. After which we should give as open, and the command window will be open. The login ID is Pi and password is Raspberry. The general command to enter the desktop is start LXD. Start LXD. Oh, sorry. Start LXD. Then the Raspberry Pi desktop will be open. What we are seeing is a Raspberry Pi desktop, in which we should open the IDLE, which is a Python shell. We already saved the document saved the program in the desktop, which has been programmed in Python for face detection. This is the program. We should go to run and run module. We already saved it, so no problem. Now the Simple CV window has been opened, which is a camera interface here, which will show the visuals from cam. You can see the face detected. You can see the no face detected in the Python shell until it's detecting the face. In Simple CV, once it detected the face, the Python shell will be showing us face at its location. The face has been detected. Once it detected, it's showing us a face at, you can see at the fifth line at face at 75 space. It's a location of the face where it's located in the correct pixel of the screen. That's all.